Ball means gain.
Ball means gain.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means Billy.
Cat means Billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means Kutta.
Dog means kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
Elephant means hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for grapes.
G for grape.
Grapes means angur.
Grapes means angur.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means ghoda.
Horse means ghoda.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means jug.
Jug means jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
Kite means patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means sher.
Lion means sher.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means bandar.
Monkey means bandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means ghosla.
Nest means ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means santra.
Orange means santra.
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Papaya means papita.
Papaya means papita.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Queen means rani.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means khargosh.
Rabbit means khargosh.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
Sheep means bear.
Sheep means bear.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means cheetah.
Tiger means cheetah.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chata.
Umbrella means chata.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी.
Watch means घड़ी.
X for chemistry.
X for chemistry.
Chemistry means chemistry.
Chemistry means chemistry.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means sar.
Yak means sar.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra means zebra.